Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey gang, Poppy here. It's just this thing. There. I'm in camera. Come on, come on. I'm screw it. Hi, Poppy here. Did you see me unbox that RCA tablet with Windows 10 on it I got for my wife? Well, that was the unboxing. This is the flame job. It's an RCA tablet with Windows 10 on it. If that's not enough to make you stop listening and run away screaming, well, listen to what everyone else is saying about Windows 10 and what it's going to do to you. Think bend over and bring your own Vaseline because they're going to shove a chainsaw up it. Specific to this machine, no start button on the screen or on the keyboard for Windows. Yeah, that's not really good. And then the power button. You can't just hold it until the thing goes off. I call that choking it to death. That comes back that comes down from 1999 when I was Napstering on E-Machines 333 CS. You know, Dirt Link dial-up account. I mean, the only good thing about my machine was my wife had given me a Hewlett Packard 9150i DVD CD burner. Yeah, I was optical storage. As soon as it was good and I had enough, burn off a disk. Anyway, there were many times people tried to get into my computer from outside during that time while I was Napstering. I detect them things. I just reach behind, go, flip the switch, hack, killed. Wait a minute, catch my breath. Recollect, what exactly I was doing. Reboot, check for damage. Usually nothing. Usually nothing. Fire up the modem. Floating IP, so got a new number. Maybe I'd change Napster username. If they were looking for that last name. Um, I know that there are like 6 or 7 times that Sean Fanning killed my username. The first time him and I were talking late one night, I Started a download, shot him TY on the IM. He comes back, you're welcome, blah, blah, blah. Hey, can you talk? Sure. Blah, blah. I mean, computer number 9 million something as the username. That didn't mean nothing to me. And in the conversation, he's a net administrator in Minnesota. It was in the middle of the night. I'm trying to get some MP3s before Napster gets shut down, right? Anyway, he asked me what I thought of Napster going pay service. Cyndi Lauper sang the song, man. Huh? What do you mean? Money changes everything. Yeah, so? So I told him, well, all them people who are getting it for free now ain't complaining about broken downloads. They gonna bitch. Misnamed files, they gonna bitch. Bad sound, they gonna bitch. As soon as you take penny one, start buying antacid, is my advice for Mr. Sean Fanning. I didn't know I'm talking to him. And I said, I get into, it's too bad what that German company's doing to Napster. But, there's a bright thing, I've been looking around. There's other P2P places, and some of them allow you to share other types of files. Movies, cartoons, TV shows, pictures, documents, programs even. Just don't share no MP3s. Screw the German. Napster goes blink. Oh, well, we started Napster to connect. My username that I was just using is anonymous at Napster. Okay. Kill the modem. Get it into preferences. New name. Modem. Go to Napster. New name. New IP. Anyway, I started using some really funny names like Neo-Luddite, Ned Jr., things that before even algorithm, people saw it, they said, oh, no. Anyway, without that little power button you can hold down and make it stop doing anything. I mean, there are many, 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 many security attacks that you stop them before they hit the execute at the end. All they did was waste their time. I mean, that's not as good as never ever take standalone computers online, The one you do your taxes on, do all that there, print it up, standalone. You don't need a new machine to count money and print out a 1040 with the numbers and all that. And all you got to do is scribble on it. Well, you got a media center. All you're doing is connecting various media devices to it to play something. Don't need to go online unless you're using it to get your media files, and that's like getting impossible nowadays. P2Ps are dead. Alt binaries, well, they might still be around, but they, people attacking them. So that media thing, you play all your movies and music and all that, and the big room or the living room, whatever, standalone. They don't need to go online. And it don't need to be Windows 10. Millennium could run a semi-decent media center. If it's all just put the media in and play. Anyway, I was flaming that RCA tablet, wasn't I? My wife liked it. It's the one she picked out, so as long as it makes her happy, that's what's important. Oh Lord, please don't let me hear that's a piece of shit you got for. You married guys know that one. Anyway, good night.